Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide members in Telegram group. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Telegram application. Once you have logged into your Telegram account, after that here you can see I have created the test group. Click on it, and after that you need to click on this profile at the top. Now here you will find add members group. Now if you click on these three dots, you will not be able to see any hide member option, and if you click on this edit button at the top right corner, after that click on this member at the bottom, and here you will not be able to see the hide members option. You cannot actually hide members in any group in Telegram application because Telegram officially removed this option from the new version on the new version of Telegram, and this option is not available in any of the version of Telegram, and you cannot access hide members in Telegram right now. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.